federal appeals court has rejected President Donald Trump's appeal in the defamation case brought by writer E. John Carroll, upholding the $83.3 million judgment awarded to her by a New York jury. The ruling, issued on September 8th by the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Manhattan, marks a major legal setback for Trump. The case stems from comments Trump made in 2019 while serving as president, denying Carroll's allegation that he sexually assaulted her in the mid-1990s in a dressing room at the Bergdorf Goodman department store in Manhattan. Carroll, a former Elle magazine columnist, came forward with her claim in 2019, prompting Trump to respond publicly. He called her accusation a hoax, a con job, saying she was not my type. Trump alleged that she made the story up to promote a book. Carroll then filed a lawsuit accusing Trump of defamation for those comments. A New York jury in January 2024 awarded her $83.3 million, including $11 million for reputational damage, $7.3 million for emotional harm, and $65 million in punitive damages for what her lawyers described as relentless malice by Trump. Citing presidential immunity, Trump's legal team argued that the verdict should be overturned. They said that because Trump made the remarks while serving as president, the statements were part of his official duties and should be protected under the Supreme Court's July 2024 ruling on presidential immunity. However, the three-judge panel on the appeals court unanimously rejected this argument and stated that Trump failed to demonstrate any legal error or abuse of discretion in the trial court's handling of the case. In their ruling, the panel wrote,
"We conclude that Trump has failed to identify any grounds that would warrant reconsidering our prior holding on presidential immunity. We also conclude that the district court did not err in any of the challenged rulings and that the jury's damages awards are fair and reasonable."
The appeal followed an earlier verdict in a separate but related case. In May 2023, another jury found Trump liable for sexually abusing Carroll and defaming her in 2022. Carroll was awarded $5 million in that case. That decision was also upheld by the Second Circuit Court in June 2024. Carroll's attorney, Roberta Kaplan, praised the verdict, saying the damages were meant to deter further defamation. She argued during the trial that the jury witnessed Trump's relentless campaign of malice, including comments made at press conferences and on social media, even when the case was ongoing.
The verdict shows that even the richest and most powerful can be held responsible under our legal system.
Meanwhile, calling the judgments a political attack and accusing the legal system of being weaponized against him, Trump continued to deny all allegations.